RCMP said, that's Royal Canadian Mounted Police for our viewers in other countries, said that one woman was trapped in her basement as her home was destroyed above her. The Carstairs Fire Department pulled this woman from the rubble of her home, and she only suffered minor injuries, lucky to be alive. No other injuries reported. A miracle, but people who witnessed this tornado describe it as a monster. We have some footage here to share with you tonight, and this is it just shows you the power of Mother Nature. Look at the size of that. Power. Scary.